Yes. The next we are going to see what is the basic building blocks of C program. So the basic building blocks of C program is, first one is preprocessor commands. So preprocessor command means whatever which is started with this hash symbol. So here you can see this hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h. So these lines are so these lines are called preprocessor commands. So this preprocessor commands tell the computer that I am going to include some header files. Okay, so hash include stdio.h. Stdio.h means standard input output header file. So I am going to include that already, which is created. Input output files are already within this function. Okay, this header file. Okay, and then console related input output will be available in the conio.h. So I am including before I am starting my program. For example, so if you are going to purchase, if you are going to do the sandwich, you are purchasing the bread. Okay, we are not doing the bread. Okay, we are not doing the bread. We are just, it is already, they are done the bread and they are kept it. Okay, we are just including our cooking. So in the same way, some standard input output header files such as printf and scanf, so these functions are returned and kept in this header files, so that I am included using this preprocessor commands. So preprocessor commands start with this hash symbol. So hash include stdio.h, standard input output header file, and conio.h means console input output related header file. Console related, console means monitor, that is your get a character, get ch or printf. So console related functions which are available in these header files, that I am included in this program. Okay, this indicates preprocessor commands. Okay, the next one is functions. So whatever you are using void, main, so some function is a set of tasks. Okay, a particular task I am given a name and keep it as aside. Okay, so module, so wherever I want, I am taking that function. Function is a specific task which I kept in the separately. So wherever I need, I am apply that. For example, total, calculating the total is a one type of function, calculating average, calculating the grade. So these are all some set of function I am doing. So wherever it is applicable, I am just including that function. So the basic building block of C program is, the first one is preprocessor command and functions and variables. So variables are nothing but the location for the value. For example, name. What is your name? So name is a variable. What's your name? For example, whatever it is. Okay, Anjula, Ranjan. Okay, so then okay, Geeta. So these are all the value for the variables. Okay, so variables, if I want to calculate C equal to A plus B, so A is a variable, B is a variable, and Z is also a variable. Whenever the input comes the A value, and I am assigning in that variable and I am doing the manipulation. So variables I have to declare in the C program, and statements and expressions. So single line is called as a statement. For example, int A equal to 5 semicolon. Each statement is end with semicolon in C program. So statements and expressions. Expression means C equal to A plus B. So I am doing some calculation, that is called as an expression. If I want to do any other calculation, A square plus B square, so what are the calculation, that is called as an expression. So every statement is end with semicolon. Okay, and the next one is command line. So what is command line? It is just for our understanding. Compiler does not touch the particular line, so that is called command line. For example, you see here this slash, this star, and here star and slash. So this is my first C program. So I am telling that this is for called as an command line, which is for my understanding. So this command line is for my understanding, not for the compiler or C programming language. So this command line is for the what? For our understanding, it won't execute. So this is command line and this is preprocessor directive. I am including the file whichever I am going to use in my program. So I need to print a welcome. So I need a standard input output file and console related input output header file. So I'm including that hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h. So this is called as an preprocessor commands. And the next one is void main. So void main is a function where the program starts. Okay, so here only actually the computer does not know anything. We have to give the instruction step by step. Whatever the instruction we are giving to the computer, that is executed. That's it. Okay, for example, if you want to arrange a particular program, annual day function, so what you will do, you will just do a checklist, right? The first one you have to do the arrangement, second one dance program, and third one and the chief guest, and fourth one thank you. So then we are following that sequence one by one and we are completing that program, right? In the same way, we are also in the C program, we are giving the instruction to the computer to do a particular task. For example, so in your main function indicates that program starts. Programs starts here. Program starts here means that system is going to execute from here itself. So int a equal to 5. So I am assigning a value 5 to the variable a, and printf welcome. So it will printf. I told the system to assign. So what happened? Immediately it will assign for a memory location a is 5 and printf welcome. So the output, if you run and see, it will print welcome. Okay, so this is the first simple C program.